Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. Before you tell the world about your shop, let's run a quick 10-minute checklist to make sure your store is ready to sell. We'll check 5 things every buyer notices. Let's get started. Start in your store profile, under Settings. This is how buyers and Resogra identify your shop. Make sure your store name, email, and phone number are filled in correctly, so customers and orders can always reach you. Just below, add your full address and country. Buyers want to know where their order ships from, and Resogra uses this to calculate accurate shipping rates. A complete address makes your store look trustworthy and ready. Next, open Edit Website. This is your storefront's first impression. Upload a clear logo, add a banner image, and pick your brand color. A store with real branding looks established, and shoppers trust it far more than a blank page. On the same page, write a short about story and a tagline. Tell buyers who you are and what makes your product special. A few honest sentences build trust and set you apart from stores that leave this empty. Still on Edit Website, choose a few featured products. These show first on your storefront, so pick your best sellers or your most beautiful items. Featuring your strongest products gives new visitors a reason to stay and buy. Finally, open shipping settings under Orders. By default, buyers see live USPS and UPS rates, but you can also set a flat rate, offer free shipping, or add a handling fee. Make sure at least your carriers are turned on, so every buyer sees a shipping cost at checkout. Once these are done, your store is ready to sell. And that's your readiness checklist. Profile, branding, your about story, featured products, and shipping, all set. Now your store is ready for customers. Thanks for watching, and visit Resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.